yeah, guys, can I tell you how excited I am to open these boxes? I got a lot of boxes from Amazon. I was so sorry for the guys, the guy who brought everything in. I'm currently getting everything for my tufting items. Guys, you see that building outside that is being built? There's a window right there, and you see another window. Yes, guys, that's gonna be a surprise. I can't wait to tell you guys what that's gonna be. But yeah, let's get back to this. I have the it comes with a lot of stuff. My projector, my first projector, so I can put the art on the canvas. I've been drawing it and I don't like it that much. It's because I have to put a light behind it and stuff like that, so I made sure to get the projector. It's the best thing ever to do. I see a lot of people doing it. So it came with a stand, so I made sure to get mine. We're gonna test it out and do some drawing because I want to do some tufting right now, and we will see. I don't know what this is for. Okay, yeah, let's go do that. Let's go check it out.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burst you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition. My shit is last, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping